Hey guys, this is Ricardo. I will be your guide in the next 4 days in this Salkantay Trek. We are in August. August is considered windy month, and it's part of the dry season. But hiking over 4,000 meters, the weather is unpredictable, guys. So we will see how it's going the next days. Very good, guys. 4,200 meters. Hi everyone, day one done. We had a nice weather. We took beautiful photos of Humantay Lake. We had a delicious lunch. Now we are already in our campsite close to Salkantay Glacier. Hi everyone, day number 2 in our Salkantay Trek 4 days. How are you feeling, guys, so far?
Good.
Good. High five. High five. We made it, guys, 4,600 meters. Pass. Okay. Hi everyone, day number 2. Today is August 1st. It's supposed to be clear, but it's getting unpredictable weather even in dry season. Now we are 4,600 meters. We made it to the pass. I'm second highest mountain, Salkantay. Now we're gonna hike 2 hours. I'll go to 2 hours. Lunch is about to see you soon. It's still day number 2 and it's raining, guys. Crazy weather in the mountains. It's raining in August. Hey guys, that is still day number 2. We had a fantastic lunch, but after the lunch it was raining for 20 minutes. Now the rain stops and we have this amazing view of rainforest or cloud forest. 3 hours left to our campsite. Oh my god, the clouds are turning yellow. The sunset is coming soon. Day number 3, ready to hike. Hi everyone, day number 3. Today is August 22nd. We're hiking at 2,400 meters lower than yesterday. And in the morning it was cloudy. Now it's still cloudy. The rain is coming behind me. And this is how the weather is in August. On the way to our lunch spot, we saw coffee, banana trees, avocado trees. Some families, they have potatoes. This is the beginning of the jungle. Day number 3. I can see happy faces. Good job, guys.
Did it.
We did it, guys. We survived it, sir. Fantastic. Let's go for our lunch.
Like it.
See you next time, guys. We did it, Salkantay plus Machu Picchu.